Welcome to Knowledge Hub with HK. Let's begin with the topic acetic acid. Acetic acid is a principal constituent of vinegar. The first vinegar was discovered from the spoiled wine. The word vinegar or acetic acid has derived from the Latin word acetum, means sour or sharp wine. It is also known as ethanoic acid, ethylic acid, vinegar acid, and methane carboxylic acid. Glacial acetic acid is the pure compound of acetic acid, that is 99.8%. It is highly corrosive to metals. Moving on to its structure, the chemical formula is C3COOH. The structure have been given here. History of acetic acid production. It is as old as winemaking, of around 10,000 years. In 3rd century, a Greek philosopher described a vinegar acted on metals to produce a pigment useful in art. In 8th century, Persian chemist Jabir ibn Hayyan extracted concentrated acetic acid from vinegar through distillation process. In 1847, German chemist Hermann Kolbe synthesized acetic acid from inorganic materials for the first time. In 1910, most of the acetic acid was obtained from the distillation of wood. At this time, Germany is producing around 10,000 tons of acetic acid, about 30% of which is used for the manufacturing of indigo dyes. Moving on to the organisms which are used for the production of acetic acid are acetic acid bacteria. These include 3 important genera, of which first genera is Acetobacterium. It includes the species called Acetobacterium aceti, Acetobacterium xylinum, and the second genus is Clostridium. It includes a species called as Clostridium thermoaceticum. It is an anaerobic thermophile. And moving on to third genus, acetic acid bacteria. It includes Acetobacter and Glucanobacter. These microorganisms have the property to tolerate high concentration of acetic acid as well as alcohol or ethanol, and it also should have a property of require small amount of nutrient, a high yielding property in producing acetic acid. There are number of substrates used for the production of acetic acid. Commonly used substrates are ethanol, wine and whey, molasses, fermented grains and malt, and rice. Fermented grains and malt as well as grapes are used in European countries for the production of acetic acid, whereas rice is used in Asian countries. Moving on to production, acetic acid production completes in 2 steps. First is ethanolic fermentation and the second is acetogenic fermentation. In ethanolic fermentation, sugar molecule is converted into ethanol with the help of yeast in anaerobic condition. If starch is used as a substrate, then starch material is converted into sugar molecules by the help of enzyme amylase. And in anaerobic condition, sugar conversion to ethanol by the yeast fermentation method. Now moving on to next step, acetogenic fermentation, where conversion of ethanol to hydrated acetaldehyde takes place, and this acetaldehyde is converted into acetic acid by the help of enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme. Moving on to methods involved for the commercial production of acetic acid. There are 3 methods. Orlean method, it is also called as open vat method. The second is surface fermentation, also called as trickling generation method, and third is submerged fermentation method. First we will study about Orlean method or open vat method. Orlean method or open vat method, it is old and traditional method and slower method of creating a high quality of vinegar. The fermentation is carried out in a large container made of wood. It is filled of around 2/3 of its capacity, and holes are created or drilled at the top and end side of the barrel. These holes also have a screen filters that prevent insects and bugs from entering the barrel, which will disturb the production of acetic acid. Then after creating the holes, ethanol is poured into the container using long-necked funnel from the top. Then about 20% of starter, a high grade vinegar, is added. After that, after 5 weeks or 35 days, ethanol is converted into acetic acid. About 50% liquid is left to blend with next batch of acetic acid production. Here I have shown the diagrammatic presentation of open bath method. Surface fermentation. Since the Orlean method is very slow, this method is widely used in industries for the production of acetic acid. In this method, the container is filled with wood shavings or wood chips, and then the substrate, that is alcohol, is poured from the top of the container, which slowly drip down through the wood shaving filling. Then oxygen is supplied into the container by two routes. First is through holes that have been created into the sides of the vat or the container. The second is oxygen is allowed from the bottom of the container. Due to the heat that is made during the fermentation of vinegar, air is introduced through the holes by air compressor into the chamber to keep it cool. When as the alcohol reaches to the bottom through the wood chips, usually within a span of 3 days, it gets converted into acetic acid. During the fermentation process, these following conditions are kept under control. pH is around 2.5 to 3.2 should be maintained. Temperature is between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. From this, the yield of vinegar is around 80 to 88% we get. Submerged fermentation. This method is the newer, faster and more efficient method of creating vinegar. About 10 to 18% of ethanol is used with a 5 times more of nutrient in submerged fermentation. When the concentration of ethanol reaches 50 to 60%, this solution is removed and replaced with fresh batch again containing 10 to 18% ethanol. The acettators are used for the production of acetic acid. These acettators are equipped with centrifugal pumps at the bottom that will pump air bubbles into the tank, which transport oxygen, which enhance the growth. Air bubbles which transport the oxygen enhance the growth of acetobacter. Heat jackets keep the temperature between 40 to 42 degrees Celsius. Within 72 hours, ethanol gets converted into acetic acid. The vinegar is piped from acettators to the plates of filtering machines. These plates are made of stainless steels, which press the alcohol through pipes filters to remove the sediments. The sediments is flushed out or drained while the filtered vinegar moves towards the dilution stations. Recovery is performed using isolation and purification of the solution. First, cell separation is done by using following techniques, that is cross-flow, microfiltration, nanofiltration. Electron dialysis is a technique used for the concentrated glacial acetic acid extraction. Applications of acetic acid. It is useful in medicinal industries to cure jellyfish stings, soothe sunburned skin. It is effective tool for cervical cancer screening. Acetic acid is added into hair conditioner and deodorant. It is also useful to remove urine odor and pet stains. It is used as a flavor enhancer in food, used to preserve vegetables, and is also used in manufacturing of mint sauce. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.